Dear students, in this module, we are going to discuss the cultural institutions of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो कल्चर को प्रमोट करने के हमारे जो फॉर्मल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उनमें जो सबसे मशहूर है वो लाहौर आर्ट म्यूज़ियम है जो 1894 में कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया and has a splendid collection of arts, crafts, jewelry, sculpture from various historical periods. Then we have the National Museum of Pakistan, which has been built in Karachi in 1950. It also has the several galleries, which include the displays of objects from, especially from Indus civilization, and also has the very traditional cultural art and other examples from the Gandhara art as well. There are also several archaeological museums which can be found in the mega cities of Pakistan, and several private museums as well with very specialized collections. The Taxila Institute of Asian Civilizations, which was previously known as the Center for the Study of Civilizations of Central Asia, which was established in Quaid-e-Azam University with the cooperation of UNESCO in the 1963. It was principally to promote the archaeological and ethnographic research on the Asian region and to search out the convergences and divergences in the Pakistani culture for the framework of continuity and social change. The National College of Art, which was established in Lahore in 1872, is one of the largest and one of the only degree awarding institutions on the fine art in the country. And then there are several private art galleries also located in the largest cities. You'll find here are the couple of examples of these buildings.